Amazon's secretly building an AI that could take over your life by the end of this year, whether you're ready or not. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about a project from Amazon that's been flying under the radar, something called Nova. Let's walk through what this is, why it matters, and how it might change the way we live, work, and even think about technology in the coming months. Amazon's a name you know. They're the company delivering your packages, streaming your shows, and running the cloud that powers half the internet. But behind all that, they're working on Nova, an AI designed to do more than just respond to commands or crunch data. This is about reasoning, about creating a system that can think through problems in a way that feels closer to how humans operate. Most AI today, the kind you see in chatbots or photo apps, relies on patterns. It's trained on massive data sets, spotting trends to predict what comes next, like finishing your sentence or picking a movie you'll like. That's impressive, but it's not the same as understanding a situation or solving something complex. Nova's different. Amazon wants it to handle quick answers and deep thinking, all while keeping the costs low enough to make it practical. They've already released some of their Nova models in December 2024, with more currently in development. Amazon's not skimping on this either. Amazon is willing to spend $100 billion on AI. That's a serious commitment, and it's clear they're not just tinkering around. They're positioning Nova to go head-to-head with the likes of OpenAI's ChatGPT, Anthropic's Claude, and Google's Gemini. What sets this apart is the focus on efficiency. Those other models are powerhouses, but they're expensive to run. The computing power, the energy, the sheer volume of data they need, it all piles up into costs that can reach billions. Amazon's betting they can deliver something just as capable, maybe more so, without breaking the bank. Why does cost matter so much? It's about who gets to use this tech. Right now, the best AI is locked behind big budgets. If you're a small company or just someone messing around with ideas, you're priced out. The hardware alone, those giant server farms, can cost millions to set up and keep running. Then there's the electricity bill, which keeps climbing as these systems get hungrier. Amazon's already got AWS, their cloud service that runs everything from Netflix to random startups. If they can make Nova affordable and plug it into AWS, it could open the door for more people to tap into serious AI power. A local business might use it to figure out what customers are buying. A teacher could analyze how students are doing without needing a tech degree. That's not just a win for Amazon, it's a massive shift in how widely this technology can spread. Let's dig into what reasoning means here because it's the core of what Nova's about. Most AI today is reactive. You give it a prompt, it scans its training, and it spits out a response. It's fast and often spot on, but it's not really thinking. It's like a super smart librarian who knows every book, but can't write one. Reasoning changes that. It's about an AI that can take a problem, break it down, and work through it step by step. Think about a delivery truck stuck in traffic. Current AI might pull up a route based on past data, but if there's a sudden storm or a road closure, it's lost. Nova could look at the weather, the traffic, and the package's deadline and decide what to do, even rerouting mid-trip if something shifts. That's not just useful for logistics. It could help a small shop owner figure out why sales are dropping, digging into numbers and suggesting fixes, all without needing a human expert to guide it. Amazon's been laying the groundwork for this for a while. They're not starting from zero. AWS already offers Bedrock, a platform where companies can use pre-built AI models. Recently, they added DeepSeek R1 to it, a language model that can code, explain tough concepts, and translate, all at a lower cost than most competitors. That move shows they're serious about affordable AI. But Nova's a bigger leap. Inside Amazon, people are saying it's faster and more secure than DeepSeek. They're not just tweaking what's out there, they're pushing for something that could redefine what AI can do. DeepSeek's a great tool, but Nova's the one they're banking on to stand out. The tech world's buzzing right now. NVIDIA's hosting huge conferences, Meta's working on new chips, and Google's investing in startups like Anthropic. Amazon's not sitting back. AWS formed a new team focused on agentic AI, led by Swami Sivasubramanian. Agentic AI is about systems that don't just wait for instructions, they act on their own. Think of a virtual assistant who doesn't just tell you your meetings, but schedules them, shifts them if there's a conflict, and warns you about delays, all without you lifting a finger. Sivasubramanian used to run databases, but now he's steering this push into autonomous tech. Nova could be the brain behind that, making AWS a hub for AI that doesn't just react but plans. This isn't just about servers and code. Amazon's testing AI in places you might not expect. Prime Video's experimenting with AI dubbing, syncing voices to movies in different languages. That could mean you watch a German film with perfect English voices, no delay. It's not just a cool feature, it's a way to get content out faster and cheaper. If Nova's reasoning gets involved, it might even predict which languages viewers want most, cutting down on wasted time. That's how this project could slip into your daily life, not just some corporate lab. There's a catch, though. Privacy's becoming a sticking point. Amazon's ending a feature on Echo devices that kept voice recordings off their servers. Starting March 28th, everything but the wake word goes to the cloud. Amazon's saying old Echoes can't handle the new AI locally. They claim recordings get deleted after processing, but it's still a shift. Once all of the Nova models are released, the impact could ripple everywhere. Smarter systems might guess your next order, making warehouses and deliveries more efficient. Prime Video could churn out dubbed shows quicker, reaching more people. Amazon's banking on Nova's price and reasoning to pull ahead of the competition. It might tackle niche tasks others can't, like a researcher designing an experiment or a farmer optimizing crops based on weather shifts. That versatility is what's got people talking. If it delivers, it could draw business from the big spenders, especially for those who can't afford the premium options. But it's not a sure thing. Building this kind of AI is hard. Amazon's got the resources, over $100 billion worth, but if Nova's delayed or doesn't work as promised, it could falter. Their new Alexa Plus is part of this shift, and privacy concerns are already bubbling up. Nova is an ambitious project, but is it a bit too ambitious? Is this something you would actually use? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.